Arubus.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you? We got future dog pilots.
They're beautiful. We're just out doing a little adventure at the airport. We'll pop in.
They got a YouTube channel, so we just trying to think of additional adventures for them. And we were watching the planes. Oh my goodness, there was so many waiting to take off.
Yeah.
Yep.
They had them wait way
End of
too
the holiday
long.
weekend.
And
Yep.
we were like, for a jet to sit there, cha-ching.
Yeah.
Yep.
Did you flying plane, buddy?
You flying the plane?
You flying plane now too?
Huh? Gonna be a flight attendant?
Senju, right?
Yeah, the Senjis, yeah.
I had one.
Really?
You did?
Amazing dog. And he looked just like this. He was a tricolor.
Oh.
Very cool.
What was his name?
Leo.
Leo.
Yeah.
Check out our YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah, sure. Hey.
That's what we're doing. We're out to the
They're the
Senji
most
adventure
beautiful.
today.
Foxtrot 10 to ready for 15 expecting for final